Have you recently received an alarming email saying your Netflix payment failed or urging you to update your billing information immediately? If so, you might be dealing with one of the latest and most convincing phishing scams targeting Netflix users around the world. In this video, we expose how scammers are mimicking official Netflix communication down to the last detail using accurate branding, official-looking layouts, and fake login pages designed to steal your personal and financial information. It's not just a sloppy scam. It's sophisticated enough to fool even the tech-savvy. We break down what these emails look like, how they trick users, and why they're so dangerous. Drawing on real experiences shared on Reddit and other online forums, we reveal how some users unknowingly entered their credit card details or Netflix login info, only to face unauthorized charges or account lockouts. News outlets like the Economic Times have already flagged this growing scam trend, but many users still don't recognize the red flags until it's too late. From suspicious sender addresses and subtle spelling errors to urgent calls to action meant to create panic, we outline all the warning signs you need to watch for. We also explain exactly what to do if you've already clicked a suspicious link, whether that means changing your passwords, monitoring your bank accounts, or reporting the scam to Netflix's official phishing email. While this video doesn't aim to scare you, it's a must-watch for anyone who wants to avoid falling into this trap. Being informed is the best defense, and staying calm, cautious, and skeptical of unsolicited emails could save you a lot of trouble. Whether you've seen one of these emails in your inbox or just want to be proactive, this review gives you everything you need to stay one step ahead of the scammers.